We are now at the kitchen of ITC Hotel, the kebab and curry restaurant, and we are just in front of the tandoori and the naan forks, ovens, yeah.
So this is the classic tandoor oven where we have just started it, and to season it, we have made a mixture of mustard oil and spinach puree and jaggery. These are the three basic ingredients in it. We cook it for around 1 hour. Then after that, we keep it overnight to ferment it. That fermentation helps it to attach to the walls of the clay oven.
Amazing.
So for around 48 hours, our tandoor will be ready.
48 hours and the oven is ready to cook tandoori.
And
here we
have. You're going to see the chef.
Yes.
He's going to make a very classic tandoori naan.
Oi.
This is the way he has stuck it in it.
This is there it is stuck. So this is 220 degrees.
220 degrees centigrade.
About, yeah.
And this one, on the right hand side, this is a very our signature dish called murg angar.
Yeah.
Murg means chicken and angar means fairy charcoal. Very spicy, hot. So I'm going to put it inside, and you can see the wood charcoal is going to give nice flavor to the meat.
Excellent.
So if I have to regulate the temperature, I can control it by closing it down, so I can have a stabilize in the temperature. If I want to increase the temperature, I can make it open. So that's the way I cook my kebabs and breads. And if you want to see, my master chef is cooking very special curry. It's called murg bemisal. Bemisal means very famous and very strongly flavored curry. So you can see chicken tikka in a tomato based curry.
I see. Yes.
And these are the spices.
These are the spices.
We have got cumin powder. This is coriander powder. This is very famous Indian garam masala. And this is again a tangy masala called chaat masala. This is sugar. This is black peppercorn. This is zira called cumin, as in whole cumin. This is kasuri methi or fenugreek powder. This is yellow chili powder. This is turmeric. This is red chili powder. We use Kashmiri chili, which is a very specific ingredient in terms of color. It gives color to our curries. And this is salt.
This is magical. Wow.
And of course, I have got another two section which
yes.
I'm proud to introduce you to. This is basically grill, or we call it tawa.
Yep.
This is again one style of cooking where we take our meats or fishes and put it on the tawa. So this you can see it's small galette. It's made of lentil puree and it's stuffed with almonds and cheese. So you can see it is cooked in couple of as in around 3 to 4 minutes.
Okay.
So and last one is called it's sigdi or grill.
All
it's
grill.
it's on open. It's very famous. It's fueled worldwide. And the kapuri kebabs is cooked on this grill.
Okay.
And chef apna discuss. And last but not the least, the most famous lentil called dal bukhara. It is cooking overnight.
Overnight.
And it keeps on cooking till it gets over.
What is in it?
This is basically a whole Bengal gram, as in it's black lentil, and we put ginger garlic paste, tomato puree, butter, cream, and at the same time with spices and salt. So for 12 hours it gets cooked. Then again we put another spices to it, add cream in the end. Then again we keep it on charcoal. You can see charcoal is inside, and it keeps on cooking. It keeps on cooking. We will add little bit of salt, little bit of water or cream to it, so that it doesn't get it maintains its consistency. So you can see it will always have this consistency.
We have so much to learn about
and
Indian cuisine.
This restaurant particularly serves all styles of Indian cooking in terms of tandoor, curry, sigdi, tawa.
All the different styles of regions and
the cuisine is pan-Indian. We have tried to cover all flavors of Indian cuisine.
Exactly.
So this is it.
Ashwani, thank you very much. This is
Thank you.
magical.
It was a pleasure.
Oh wow, we're having a great meal. I would recommend anyone to taste the Indian cuisine in your kitchen at ITC Hotel Bangalore. Thank you,
Thank you
chef.
so much.